A third strategy for fostering group creativity is the Delphi Technique. This graphic illustrates the process. It begins with a round of open-ended questions aimed at identifying key topics of interest. After the initial meeting, the facilitator compiles the members' responses and creates a follow-up questionnaire, which is then distributed to the group, usually by email. In the second meeting, members evaluate their survey responses, often in the form of ratings or rankings, and provide a clear rationale for their judgments. They can also introduce new ideas or clarify existing ones. This stage marks the beginning of the consensus-building process, where areas of agreement and disagreement are revealed. Once again, after the meeting, a summary of their responses is compiled into another questionnaire that's then sent to the members. In the third meeting, members continue revisiting and refining the responses gathered so far. In the fourth round, the group takes inventory and categorizes the responses into two lists, one with items that members agree upon, and another with items that require further consensus building. The process then repeats until the desired level of agreement is achieved. One of the key advantages of the Delphi technique is the ability to facilitate anonymous and confidential communication among group members. This reduces noise and the emergence of irrelevant information, allowing participants to revisit and refine their ideas in response to feedback from other members. Plus, the use of statistical analysis to summarize and evaluate responses enhances the objectivity of the creative process. However, one of the primary drawbacks of this method is the need for a larger number of participants, typically ranging from 10 to 50. And members will probably require some basic training. Another limitation is the time-consuming nature of the process. Experts recommend that groups meet every 2 weeks to give people time to respond to the questionnaires. And, finally, survey development, administration, and analysis may not be available to all groups, as these activities require a specialized set of skills.